All right, today I have a 2019 Chevrolet Spark. If you could, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Well, I think it's great, but I'm going to show you how the operations for the heater and cooling system on this vehicle. So I'm just going to go through it so you can get a brief understanding of how it works. All right, so right here, I'm in the driver's side of the vehicle. I'm going to look towards the center of the vehicle right here on this console right here. There are 3 buttons, and these control the climate control in this vehicle. All right, I'm going to start to the right and work my way around. Right here is the temperature knob. If I turn it all the way to the right, that is for heat, and as I turn it all the way to the left, that is for cool. All right, now, this right here is for temperature control. But if you see in the center where it says AC, if you want air conditioning to be running, make sure it's all the way on the cold. Press this, and the air conditioning is supposed to light up right here. All right, you see that? You see how the light came on? All right. That is for the temperature. Right here in the center is for the fan speed. All right, it starts off with 0, which means off, and then it goes all the way up to 4. All right, and it's blowing out fast. Now, if you want to recirculate the air in the vehicle, press this center button right here, and it'll recirculate the air within the vehicle right here. All right, so let's move over here. Now, this knob right here is for the direction of where the air is going to be blowing. All right, right here, it's indicative that is blowing at the feet. Right here is for the feet and the face. Right there is for the face. Let's go all the way back over here to ones we missed. Right here, this is for the windshield and the feet. And this is just for the windshield defrost. All right, let me go ahead and show you what the center button does. Right here is for the rear window defrost. If I press this, the button lights up and it heats up the rear window to eliminate fog on it or mist on it or frozen window. It'll help melt the ice. All right, that's the heating and cooling control system, the climate control system. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.